Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Aftership integration in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app enables seamless shipping and real-time tracking by integrating Aftership's powerful logistics solution within Odoo. This module automates shipment updates, reduce manual handling, and enhance customer satisfaction with accurate tracking information. Businesses can streamline their order fulfillment process, connect with multiple couriers, and ensure a smooth shipping experience all within Odoo. So, first of all, we need to go into the sales module. Under configuration, you will find the menu named delivery methods. Open that and here you will find the delivery method name Aftership. Here you will find a tab named Aftership API. Click on that and in Aftership API field, enter your API. After entering your API, click on Get Courier button. You can see the couriers are added successfully. Now go into the select courier field and select your courier. Here I am selecting FedEx. In website courier also I am selecting FedEx. Now save it. And also make sure to publish this delivery method. Now we will go into the quotation and we will create a new quotation. But before that, we will go into the products and we'll select any product. Here I am selecting cabinet with doors. Go into the inventory tab and under operation, add width, height and depth of the product. Also add the weight. Now in origin of goods, select your origin. I am entering India. Now save this. Now we will create a quotation. Click on new and add your customer. I am selecting Azure Interior as my customer, and in products I will be selecting cabinets with door. Now save it. Here you can see a add shipping button. Click on that, select your shipping method. I will be selecting Aftership. Now you can see the total weight is updated. Now click on Get Aftership data. Here you can see the Afterships. Select FedEx Group. Now you can see a Aftership is added in the order lines with the cost. Now confirm this. Now you can see a delivery is created. Open that and here you can see the delivery number. In the additional info, you will find a carrier name Aftership. Validate this delivery. And here you can see the delivery is in done state. Here you can see the log also. You can see the shipping tracking number and also the cost. Here you will find two different PDFs. Open first one and you will get the label for your shipping. Here you can see all the details. And if you will open the second one, you can see the invoice for your shipping. Here also you will find all the details. After that, if we go into the additional info tab, you can see a tracking reference number is generated. Here you can find a tracking button also. If you click on the tracking button, you will be redirected to the Aftership tab. Here you can enter your number and click on track to track your shipping. And here also you can see your shipping number. After that, we will go into the website and we will go into the shop. Again, we will be adding cabinet with door into our cart. Here, click on add to cart. After that, click on view cart. And here you can see the cart is with cabinet with doors. Click on checkout and here you will find a delivery method named Aftership. Click that delivery method and you can see the amount is generated. Now click on confirm and choose your payment method. Here you can see your payment is being finalized. Here you can see that your payment is done. You can see every little detail in here with the sale order number. Now, again, we will go into the sales module and we can see a sale order is created for the order we just created from the website. You can see all the detail in the order line and the log note. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.